Welcome to Image Presto. In today's video, we will go over the Qwen model in the image generation tool. To start, go ahead and click on the image generation tool. You will notice an empty box in the center to enter your prompt. The goal is to generate a compelling image with text, starting with a simple and then enhanced prompt. Let's start with entering a simple prompt. You will notice that I entered in a prompt that included an image Presto text, an alluring splash of colors, and a dancing ballerina. Before you click generate, let's go to our settings and make sure to choose the Qwen model, your number of images, your output format, and your aspect ratio. Then click the generate button. Working with the simple prompt, the Qwen model was able to generate the image beautifully. Now, let's elevate our prompt. To do so, click on the prompt feature button. With this feature, you will notice the AI generated 3 different prompts enhanced from the original. Each prompt has been modified to provide you with the detail and creativity. Select your preferred prompt, then click on the generate button. With the Qwen model, we're able to generate 2 stunning images that are not only excellent in text rendering, but also harmonize with the image. To save your images, hover your cursor over the image and click on the download button.